Ram Ram. Namaste everyone. Welcome you all to session 11 of Samskritasri Pathamala 2. We were doing Visheshanam last class, so we will continue that because there are 2 exercises which are remaining. We'll complete that and start Sankhya or numbers in Sanskrit. Let us start with Mangala Shloka. Shuklam Varadharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vikhnopashantaye Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Jnananandamayam Devam Nirmalaspatikakritim Adharam Sarva Vidyanam Hayagrivam Upasmahe Saraswati Namastestu Veena Pustakadharini Hamsavahanamaarudhe Vidyadanam Kurushvame. So in the last class, we saw a list of Visheshanas. We'll first start with Subhashitam. Ahimsa, Satyam, Asteyam, Shaucham, Indriya Nigraha, Evam Samajikam Dharmam, Chatur Varnye Abravit Manu. So the meaning is non-violence, truth. Ahimsa is non-violence, Satyam is truth, Asteyam is not coveting others' possessions, Shaucham is purity, Indriya Nigraha is self-control, sense control. These are the dharmas that are common to all the varnas. So all the 4 varnas, that is Brahmana, Vaishya, Shudras and Kshatriyas, all have to follow these dharmas. So it just shows how important these values are. So first let us start with discussion of the homework which was regarding Visheshanam. Rewrite the sentence with proper forms of adjectives. Those who would like to try, please raise your hands. Janvi Satish.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram. Chaturaha Balakaha.
Chaturaha Balakaha. The answer should be Chaturaha Balakaha.
Yeah. Just
Nipunaha Kanyaka should be Nipuna Kanyaka.
Yeah. So what is Chaturaha Balakaha?
Clever boys.
And Nipunaha Kanyaka? Nipuna Kanyaka is?
A clever girl.
Yeah.
Ushnaha Jalam. Ushnam Jalam. That means hot water.
Yes.
Sheetala Himam. It should be Sheetalam Himam.
So what is that?
Cool mountain.
Himam is snow.
Okay, snow. Cool snow.
Yes.
Unnata Girihi should be Unnataha Girihi. That is tall mountain.
Yes.
Tall
hill. Pullingam. So Unnataha Girihi.
Yes.
So the next one also we'll try.
Okay. Surabhi Pushpani. It should be Surabhini Pushpani.
Yes. Surabhi, Surabhini. So it should be Surabhini Pushpani. Yes.
Does it mean fragrant flowers?
Yes.
Okay. Andhaya Manushyasya. Andhasya Manushyasya. Shashti Vibhakti, that is belonging to the blind man.
Yes. Yes.
Mriduhu Shayane. It should be Mridau Shayane.
Very good.
Yes. That is soft bed.
Yes.
Kruram mrigan.
Hmm.
Should be kruran mrigan,
Hmm.
which means wild animals.
Yes. So which vibhakti is this?
Dvitiya vibhakti.
Tritiya bahuvachanam is kruran mrigan.
Yes. Dineshu janeshu. Is it dineshu janeshu? I don't understand. Like, what is the mistake in it?
There is no mistake in it. So you can just give it as such. Dineshu janeshu. That is
Poor
those
people.
Poor people. Very good. Uttama prayatnah. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
So now there is a translation exercise 13. So you can attempt this translation. Dayaluhu guruhu chhatram bodhayati. Amita Bhargava.
Ram Ram Bhagini.
Ram.
Dayaluhu Guruhu Chhatram Bodhayati. Generous teacher thinks of student.
Bodhayati is to teach.
Teaches. Teaches student.
Yes. So the kind teacher, the merciful teacher, teaches the student. Chhatram. So Chhatram is which vibhakti here?
Dvitiya.
Dvitiya.
Ekvachanam.
Yes. And Dayaluhu Guruhu?
Guruhu is the Prathama Purusha Ekvachanam.
It is Prathama vibhakti.
It
is the subject. The action is done. Bodhayati is done by the Guru. Next is
Andaha Naraha Bhiksham Yachate. The blind man asks for alms.
Yes.
Begs for alms.
Yes.
Bhiksham, food. Can be for alms too. Alms.
You can say alms. Yes.
Ashvaha Sikatilayam Bhumau Tishtati. The
so
horse.
This Bhumihi is Strilinga. So Sikatila is the adjective which is also chosen in Strilinga. Yes.
Saptami.
Saptami. Yes. Ekavachanam.
The horse sits on the sandy ground.
Stands. Tishtati. It stands.
Stands on
the sandy soil. Next is
Kathinayam Shilayam Vayam Upavishamaha. Kathinayam means difficult.
Yes. So both are dirgha, kathina and shila, because they are strilinga. Shila is strilinga. So it has kathina adjective has become kathina in strilingam, and it is in saptami ekavachanam. So
Shila is the caves.
It's a stone.
Stone.
Yeah.
So difficult stones we upavishamaha.
No, it's not difficult. Here it means hard.
Hard stones.
Yes.
We hard stones. We sit.
Sit.
We sit on.
Is to sit.
Yes. We sit on hard stone.
Yes.
Ramaha Maduram Vachaha Bhashate. Rama speaks the sweet words.
Sweet words. So Vachaha is for generally speech, and it is in Napumsakalingam, Vachas. So Madhuram.
Rama speaks sweet words.
Yes. Rama speaks sweet words. Uttama. You can try the next set as well.
Tatake Maduram Paniyam Asti. In the pond, sweet water is there.
Yes, there is sweet water.
There is sweet water in pond.
Yes.
Daridrasya hastaha riktaha bhavati.
Riktaha. Hastaha
Riktaha
riktaha.
bhavati. The poor man's hand is red.
Not raktaha, riktaha. Riktaha is empty.
Is
Empty.
empty.
He is empty-handed. Yes.
Empty-handed. Adyasya hastaha dhanena purnaha bhavati. The rich man's hand is filled with money.
Yes.
Is always filled with money. Which is the word for always?
Always is not there. And it's wrongly given. It should go. I'll correct it right away. Yeah. Next one you can try.
Yaninaha viralaha bhavanti. Yaninaha, the wise. Viralaha, few.
Yes.
Are the
yes.
wise men.
Viralaha is rare or few. So jnaninaha viralaha bhavanti. There are very few jnanis.
Ayam ashramaha shanta bhavati. This ashram is peaceful.
Yes. This ashrama or hermitage is peaceful. Just a second. Okay, so the next Anuvadamala 14 on page 35, you can attempt it as homework. Let us do some Shabdaratnam. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Uttamataya Kritam. Shabdaratnam. First we will do Asmad Shabdaha. Vani Krishna Varya.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste. Asmad.
Dagarandaha sarvalingeshu samanarupah asmad shabdaha. Aham avam vayam. Ma avam nau asmannaha. Maya avabhyam asmabhihi. Mahyam me avabhyam nau asmabhyam naha. Maya mat avabhyam asmad. Mama me avayoho nau asmagam naha. Mayi avayoho asmasu.
Agrimam api karoti va?
Dagarandaha sarvalingeshu samanarupah yushmat shabdaha. Tvam yuvam yuyam. Tvam twa yuvam vam yushman vaha. Tvaya yuvabhyam yushmabhihi. Tubhyam te yuvabhyam vam yushmabhyam vaha. Tvaya yuvabhyam tvat yuvabhyam yushmad. Tvad yuvabhyam yushmad. Tavate yuvayoho vam yushmabhyam vaha. Tvayi yuvayoho yushmasu.
Yushmasu. Uttam. Bahu uttam. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
K Padma. Rama. Bhavat Shabda in Pullinga. Can you try? Bhavat. The Sarvanama Shabda.
Sakarantaha Pullingaha Bhavat Shabdaha Bhavan Bhavantau Bhavantaha He Bhavan He Bhavantau He Bhavantaha Bhavantam Bhavantau Bhavataha Bhavata Bhavadhyam Bhavadbhi Bhavate Bhavadhyam Bhavadbyah Bhavataha Bhavadhyam Bhavadbyah Bhavataha Bhavatoho Bhavatam Bhavati Bhavatoho Bhavatsu.
Strilinge Napumsakalike Linge.
Yeah. Sakarantaha Strilingaha Bhavati Shabdaha
Bhavati Shabda. Ikara.
Ikarantaha स्त्रीलिङ्गः भवती शब्दः भवती भवत्यौ भवत्यः हे भवति हे भवत्यौ हे भवत्यः भवतीं भवत्यौ भवती
भवतीः
भवतीः भवत्या भवद्भ्यां भवद्भिः भवत्यै भवद्भ्यां भवद्भिः भवद्भ्यः भवद्भ्यः भवत्याः भवद्भ्यां भवद्भ्यः भवत्याः भवत्योः भवतीनां भवत्यां भवत्योः भवतीषु
भवतीषु उत्तमं नपुंसकलिङ्गम्
अतः नपुंसकलिङ्गः भवत् शब्दः भवत् भवति भवन्ति हे भवत् हे भवति हे भवन्ति भवत् भवति भवन्ति भवता भवद्भ्यां भवद्भिः भवते भवद्भ्यां भवद्भ्यः भवतः भवद्भ्यां भवतः भवद्भ्यां भवद्भ्यः भवतः भवतोः भवतां भवति भवति भवतोः भवत्सु
भवत्सु उत्तमं
धन्यवादः
So now we will go to Sankhya or number. I think in Pathamala 1 we just did 1 to 10 the general terms. That is, we just saw the Napumsakalinga forms. Ekam, dve, trini, chatvari, like that. But now we will see in all the 3 lingas. So there are different forms in the different lingas for these number words. So Prakash, Mohini, would you like to read?
Namaste.
Ram, namaste.
Ekah, eka, ekam.
So in Pullinga it is Ekah, Strilinga it is Eka,
Eka,
and Napumsakalinga
Napumsakalinga, ekam.
So for all the 3 we say that it is Akaranta Eka Shabda. And it is as an adjective it comes only in singular. There are no Dvivachana and Bahuvachana forms for the adjective form of Eka. Okay, next is 2. 2 is?
2 is Dvo Pulling Rupam, Dve Striling, and Dve Napumsakling.
Yes. So Dve and Dve. Next is?
Napumsakling is also Dve, Striling is next.
So here the number 2 is the Ikaranta Dvi Shabda, but the form is Dvau, Dve, Dve, and it is found only in the dual form because it denotes the number 2. So it's always Nitya Dvivachana Shabda. Okay, the next is 3.
Trayaha, Tisra, Trini.
Trayaha, Tisraha, and Trini. So in Pullinga Trayaha, Strilinga Tisraha, Napumsakalinga Trini. Here again it is an Ikaranta Shabda. Ikaranta Tri Shabda. The forms in Pullinga, Strilinga, and Napumsakalinga are Trayaha, Tisraha, Trini. Okay. Next is?
Next is Chatvaraha, Pulling Roop, Chatasraha, Striling Roop, Chatvari, Napumsakling.
Chatvaraha, Chatasraha, and Chatvari. Here it is a Rephanta Shabda. Rephanta Chatur Shabda. In Pullinga it is Chatvaraha. Strilinga it is Chatasraha. And Napumsakalinga it is Chatvari. Here from 3 onwards it is Nitya Bahuvachana Shabdas because it is always in plural form. Next is
Panch, Pulling Roop, Panch is Striling and Panch Napumsakling.
So from Pancha to Dasha, Pullinga,
Yes.
Strilinga and Napumsakalinga are all the same. Pancha is Nakarantaha. Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dasha are also Nakarantaha. Whereas Shash, this Shat is a Shakarantaha Shabdaha. So Pancha in Pullinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga. Yes, you can read.
Shat, Shat is Shat. Sapt in Pulling, Striling and Napumsakling. Sapt,
Sapta.
Sapta, Ashta,
Hmm.
Pulling, Striling and Napumsakling.
Yes.
All three Ashta. Nava, Pulling,
Nava. Yeah. Pullinga,
Dasha,
Strilinga.
Dasha.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavad.
So from 3 onwards, everything is Nitya Bahuvachanam. So these are adjectives. So when you say Ekaha, you can say Ekaha, Ekaha Balakaha, Eka Balika, Ekam Kandukam, Evam. So we have Ayam Ekaha Balaha, Iyam Eka Bala, Idam Ekam Pustakam. So depending on the noun for which we are using this Sankhya, we use the Lingam and Vachanam. So Eka is always Ekavachana if it is an adjective, and if it is used in the sense of a number. And for Strilinga it is Eka, for Napumsakalinga Ekam. I am Ekaha Balaha, he is a boy. Iyam Eka Bala, she is a girl. Idam Ekam Pustakam, this is a book. So when there are 2 boys, we say I am Ekaha Balaha, I am Aparaha Ekaha Balaha. So there are 2 boys. So we have Imau Dvau Balau. So together you can say Imau Dvau Balau. Dvau is the dual of Eka and Eka make Dvau. And in Pullinga, so we have Dvau. If it is 3 on Napumsakalinga, it would have been Dve. Here we have Ine Dve Bale, because we are talking about Iyam Eka Bala and another Iyam Eka Bala. Idam Ekam Pustakam, Idam Ekam Pustakam, Ime Dve Pustake. I don't think there is anything difficult in this. So when we have 3 or more, we use the plural form. Ime Trayaha Balaha, Imaha Tisraha Balaha, and Imani Trini Pustakani or Patrani here. Now you can try to fill up the blanks. Those who want to try, please raise your hand. Usha Devade.
Namaskara Bahini.
Namaskar.
Ramah Krishnah iti dvau Vasudevasya putra.
Vasudevasya dvau putrau Ramah Krishna.
Kunti Madri iti Pandoho dve bharye. Kumbhakarnah Vibhishanah iti Ravanasya dvau bhratarau.
Yes.
Dasharathasya Ramah Lakshmanah Bharatah Shatrughnah iti Chatvarah putraha.
Yes.
Dharma putradayah Pancha bhratarah.
Pancha Bhrataraha. So Pancha, it is the same thing. There is no Pullinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga difference. It is just Pancha and it is Nitya Bahuvachan. You can try the next one as well.
Varshasya ऋतवः. ऋतुः is season. Varshasya chatvarah ऋतवः.
A season of 2 months is a Ritu. So there are 6 seasons.
Rutuhu, a season of 2 months, equal to 6 Rutuhu.
There are 6 Ritus in every year. Yes.
Suryodayah ekah graha.
So what is the word for 6 then? Varshasya?
Varshasya shat
Ritava.
Shat Ritavah.
Yeah.
Suryodayah ekah graha.
Suryadayah. Surya, Chandra, Mangala, all these things they form. How many grahas are there?
9.
9. So Nava
Graha. Oh, Suryodayah.
Suryadayah. Surya Adihi. Surya is the first one of a set of grahas. So the first in the set of grahas is Surya. So Suryadayah.
Navah graha.
Nava. There is no visarga there. Nava
graha. Subramanyasya mukhani. Shat mukhani. Parameshwarasya Trini netrani.
Yes, Napumsakalingam, it is Trini.
Netrani.
Trayaha, Tisraha, and Trini. So Trini is one.
Trini netrani.
Trini. Uttam. Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada, Bhagini.
Namaste.
So here we are seeing the different vibhaktis of the word eka, eka, and ekam. In the 3 lingas, they come under different vibhaktis because since it's an adjective, according to the noun, we have to use it in the appropriate vibhakti as well. So the linga, vachana, and the vibhakti should agree with the noun. So in Pullinga, we have these forms. I think it will be better if someone reads. Anne-Marie? No.
Namaste.
Namaste. Yeah.
I read the vibhakti also or only the words? Prathama vibhakti.
No need to read the vibhakti. You can just read the words.
Ekaha, eka, ekam.
You can read one at a time. Pullinga, fully at a time.
Yes.
Ekaha.
Ekaha, ekam, ekena, ekasmai, ekasmat, ekasya, ekasmin. Feminine plus strilinga. Eka, ekam, ekaya, ekasyai, ekasyaha, ekasyaha, ekasyam. Napumsakalinga. Ekam, ekam, ekena, ekasmai, ekasmat, ekasya, ekasmin.
Yeah. So the first vibhakti is different. Otherwise, it is almost similar to the Pullinga. The Napumsakalinga and Pullinga are similar.
Yes.
So here it is like the Tad Shabda. So Saha and Sa and Tad. So similarly, we have Ekaha, Ekam, Ekena, Ekasmai, Ekasmat, Ekasya, Ekasmin for Pullinga. Eka, Ekam, Ekaya, Ekasyai. Just like Sa, Tam, Taya, Tasyai. Similarly, we have Eka, Ekam, Ekaya, Ekasyai, Ekasyaha, Ekasyaha, Ekasyam. And in Napumsakalingam, of course, it is like Pullingam except for Prathama Dutiya. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha. You have unmuted me again.
Just a second. So now we will stop for some questions and then we will proceed. Can you explain Mridau Shayane? So Mridu Shayanam. Mridu is soft. It's not Mrilau, it is Mridu. So Mridau is the Saptami form, like Guru, it is Gurau. Here it is Mridau Shayane, in the soft bed. Yaninaha Viralaha Bhavanti will not become. It was mentioned as Lat. Rama Mahadya. Rama.
See,
Yeah. Yes.
will it not become Lot Lakara? Bhavanti. Future.
You mean Rit Lakara? Future, is it?
I just asking.
No. It is common that we don't find Jnanis so commonly, isn't it? So it is in present tense only. Lat Lakara.
Oh, thank you.
Dhanyavad. Himasagar Express, snow-capped mountain. Uttama. So Hima is snow. Usha Divati. You have a question?
Yeah. You said like a Shat Rutavah Santi, a season of 2 months. So each season has 2 months, you mean to say, right?
Yes.
But here
So
we
12
say
months.
like spring, fall, spring, summer, fall, winter. Only 4 seasons. Like, can you tell me names?
The names I'm not sure, but there are 6 seasons.
Okay.
According to the Indian calendar, there are 6 seasons.
Yeah. So if you find time, can you tell me the seasons names, please?
Definitely. I'll check it.
Dhanyavada, Bhagini.
Dhanyavad. Does Eka does not follow Rama Shabda? No. So Eka comes under a different category called Sarvanama Shabda. Generally, we say pronouns are Sarvanamas, but that is just for a general understanding. In Sanskrita, it is not like that. Eka comes under the category of Sarvanama Shabda, though in English we may not call it as a pronoun. So it has a different form. It is similar to the Tad Shabda. Vasant, Varsha, Sharad, Hemanta, Shishira. It is spring, monsoon, pre-winter and winter. I think there are 2 others also. I'll check it, let you know the exact seasons. So now let us proceed with the numbers. We'll see the forms of the Dvi Shabda. Ikaranta Dvi Shabda. This is a Nitya Dvivachana Shabda. So we have the forms only in Dvivachana. In Dvivachana, the good thing is you have to remember only 3 forms. The first 2 are similar, next 3 are similar, and the last 2 are similar. In Pullinga, it is Dvau Dvau, and then all the rest of the forms are similar in the 3 lingas. In Stri and Napumsakalinga, it is Dve. So Pullinga, let me read the forms for you once. Dvau, dvau, dvabhyam, 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 dvayoho, dvayoho. Strilinga, dve, dve, dvabhyam, 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 dvayoho, dvayoho. Napumsakalinga, again, dve, dve, dvabhyam, 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 dvayoho, dvayoho. Next is Tri Shabda. This again, please note, this is also an Ikaranta Shabda. Though we have Ya in Prathama Ekavachanam or Tisra, in Strilinga, and just like Phalam Phale Phalani, we have in, and it looks like an Akaranta, but it's actually an Ikaranta Tri Shabda. This is a Nitya Bahuvachana Shabda. So from Tri Shabda till Dasha, we have all our Bahuvachana Shabdas. Trayaha, Trin, Tribihi, Tribhyaha, Tribhyaha, Trayanam, Trishu. This is in Pullinga. Strilinga is Tisraha, Tisraha, Tisribihi, Tisribhyaha, Tisribhyaha, Tisranam, Tisrishu. So in Pita, Mata and all, we had Pitrunam, right? That will not happen here. It is just the Hrasva Rikara. Tisranam and Tisrishu. Note that difference alone. Napumsakalinga is Trini, Trini, Tribihi, Tribhyaha, Tribhyaha, Trayanam, Trishu. Rephanta Chatur Shabdaha is again a Bahuvachana Shabda. In Pullinga, Chatvaraha, Chaturaha, Chaturbihi, Chaturbhyaha, Chaturbhyaha, Chaturanam, Chaturshu. Strilinga, Chatasraha, Chatasraha, Chatasribihi, Chatasribhyaha, Chatasribhyaha, Chatasrinam, Chatasrushu. Napumsakalinga, Chatvari, Chatvari, Chaturbihi, Chaturbhyaha, Chaturbhyaha, Chaturanam, Chaturshu. Panchataha Dasha Paryantam. That is from 5 till 10. At this level, we are going to be doing only till 10, the Sankhya 10. So we are talking only about that. From 5 to 10, there are no differences between Pullinga, Strilinga and Napumsakalinga. This we already saw. Sankhyanam Trishu Lingeshu Samana Rupam Bhavati, which means the Rupam is the same in all three lingas. So for Pancha, we have Pancha, Pancha, Panchabihi, Panchabhyaha, Panchabhyaha, Panchanam, Panchasu. Shash becomes Shat. Shat, Shat, Shatbihi, Shatbhyaha, Shatbhyaha, Shannam. The Ta and Na becomes Shannam and Shatsu. Sapta, Sapta, Saptabihi, Saptabhyaha, Saptabhyaha, Saptanam, Saptasu. So Pancha and Sapta are Nakaranta Shabdas. Shash is a Shakaranta Shabda. Ashtan is again a Nakaranta. It has two forms. A Hrasva form, which is Ashta, Ashta, Ashtabihi, Ashtabhyaha, Ashtabhyaha, Ashtanam and Ashtasu. And a Dirgha form, which is Ashtau, Ashtau, Ashtabhihi, Ashtabhyaha, Ashtabhyaha, Ashtanam, Ashtasu. Nava, again Nakaranta, Nava, Nava, Navabhihi, Navabhya, Navabhyaha, Navanam, Navasu, Dasha, Dasha, Dashabhihi, Dashabhyaha, Dashabhyaha, Dashanam, Dashasu. So here we have examples in all the vibhaktis. Ekaha balaha, ekam balam, ekena balena, ekasmai balaya, ekasmat balat. So here you can see the difference between the Sarvanama Shabda Eka. Ekasmai, it's not Ekaya. So ekasmai balaya, ekasmat balat, ekasya balasya, ekasmin bale. Not eke bale, ekasmin bale. Strilika, eka kanya, ekam kanyam, ekaya kanyaya, ekasyai kanyayai, ekasyah kanyayaha, Panchami, ekasyaah kanyayaah Shashthi, ekasyam kanyayam Saptami. Ekam pushpam, ekena pushpena. Third onwards, it's the same as Pullinga. Ekena pushpena, ekasmai pushpaya, ekasmat pushpat, ekasya pushpasya, ekasmin pushpe. Now we'll do some sentences. Urmila Mahendra Babu.
Good evening, ma'am. Dasarataha chaturbihi putraihi pritaha abhavat. Dasharatha was happy with the 4 sons.
Very good. So Chaturbhihi Putraihi is in which vibhakti?
Bahuvachanam. Sorry, which one did you ask?
Chaturbhihi Putraihi is in which vibhakti?
Chaturbhihi Putraihi is 3.3.
Yes.
Tritiya.
Tritiya. Uttam.
The next one is Ashwasya Chaturshu Padeshu Ekaikaha Shafaha Eva Asti.
Shafaha is a hoof.
Yeah, hoof. Oh, yeah, hoof. The horse the horse has only one hoof in each of the 4 legs. Oh,
yes,
yeah,
correct.
Each of the 4 legs. Okay,
absolutely. So ekaikaha is each. Eka ekaha is ekaikaha. The horse has only one hoof in each of the 4
legs. Okay.
Uttam. Yeah.
Itaresham mriganam dvau shafau staha. Yeah, Itaresham is other animals, is it?
Itara is other, yes. So
yeah, other animals have 2 hoofs.
2 hoofs. So this is Shashti Bahuvachanam. Itaresham Mriganam. For the other animals, there are 2 hoofs in each of the 4 legs.
Okay. The 4th one, Vayam Dvabhyam Netrabhyam Pashyamaha. We see with 2 eyes.
Yes. So Dvabhyam is Tritiya Dvivachana, because Dvi Shabda is always in Dvivachana. Dvabhyam. Netrabhyam, 2 eyes. So
yeah,
we see with 2 eyes.
2 eyes.
And see. Yeah. Can you read this as well? So this is nothing but 1 or 2. We use in many cases 1 or 2, right? So when we are not sure of the number, it could be 1 or 2, we say ekadvaha. Similarly, 2 or 3 is dvitraha. 3 or 4 is trichaturaha. And similarly, 4 or 5, 5 or 6. So the same thing we have in Pullinga, Strilinga and Napumsakalinga. Can you just read the forms for me?
Okay, sure. Pullinga, ekadvaha, dvitraha, trichatutraha, trichaturaha, chatushpanchaha, panchashaha, shash saptaha, shat saptaha, Saptashtaha.
So this is always in Bahuvachanam. See, Ekadvaha, one or two, it is neither Ekavachanam nor Dvivachanam, it is in Bahuvachanam. So always these things where we don't know we are not sure of the number, we use it only in Bahuvachanam. If you notice, Pullinga, Strilinga forms are exactly the same. Only in Napumsakalinga, the ending becomes Ani. Ekadvani, Dvitrani, Chaturani, Trichaturani, Chatushpanchani,
I
Panchashani.
read the Napumsakalinga.
Yeah.
Okay. Napumsakalingaha, Ekadvani, Tritrani, Trichaturani, Chatush Panchani, Panchashani, Shat Saptani, Saptashtani. Dhanyavadah.
So again, we have an exercise now. MC Sriram Mahodaya.
Namo Namaha. Udyane ekadvaha phalavrikshaha api santi. In the garden, there are one or two fruit trees.
Also. Api.
Api. Oh, yeah. There are also one or two fruit trees.
Yes.
Ratyayam ekadveshu sthaleshu setunam parishkaraha prachalati.
Okay, this is a bit complicated.
Right.
Setunam is, do you know Setu?
Isn't it to the kind of the bank of the river, or is it or it could be the bridge?
It's the bridge. So Ratyayam, on the path or on the way. Ekadveshu, in one or two places. Sthaleshu, in places. Sthala is place. Setunam, of the bridge. Setu both means the bridge and the dam. So Setunam. Parishkaraha is some repair work is going on. Prachalati.
Oh, okay. So the repair of bridges is taking place, or is in one or two places on the way. Okay. Gonyam ekadvani chidrani santi. Okay, that is in a sack. Sack. The sack is got holes in one or two places, or tear in one or two places.
Yeah, there are one or two holes.
Is it tear or hole?
Hole.
Hole. Okay.
Yeah. Chidritam is there is not much of a difference. Chidritam is tone. So you can say holes or tear, whatever. Okay.
Grihe dvitra atitayaha agataha. Agataha. 2 or 3 guests came to the house. Came to the house.
Okay. Yes. Let's see there. Yeah.
Pustake panchashani putani trutitani. Pustake panchashani putitani trutitani.
Putani is page. Putta is page. Putam. And trutitam.
Oh, putta is okay.
Trutitam is tone.
Tone. Oh, okay. Okay. So the book is torn. The pages in the book are torn into 5 or 6 pieces.
No. 5 or 6 pages are torn.
Oh, 5 or 6
Panchashani
pages.
Putani. Putam is Napumsakalingam. So this Panchashani qualifies the Putani. They are torn.
Okay. So
So
5 or 6.
Trutitani also is an adjective for Putani here. The pages are 5 or 6 in number. They are also two.
In the book, so the Panchashani is 5 or 6. So it has to be read as Panchashani Putani.
Yes.
Pustake Trutitani would kind of give you the sequence, right? That is 5 or 6.
Panchashani Pustake. Either
In the
anyway is
Pustake.
okay.
Right, I know,
Yeah.
but putting it in the
Correct order.
in the order in which you have to kind of translate
Translate.
it.
Okay.
Trichaturebhyah dinebhyah purvam aham sundaresham apashyam. Let me read that again. Trichaturebhyah dinebhyah purvam aham sundaresham apashyam. 3 or 4 days purvam, before. I mean, I saw. So I saw beautiful days. I saw 3 or 4 beautiful days.
No, Sundaresha is a person. So I saw Sundaresha 3-4 days ago.
Okay. Okay.
So Trichaturebhyah is in which vibhakti?
That would be
With
fourth.
Purvam.
It would be the 4th case, right?
No, this is 5th. So Tasmat Purvam. Before that, so this is, we use with Purvam the Panchami vibhakti.
Panchami vibhakti.
Yes.
Okay.
I saw Sundaresha 3-4 days back.
Okay. So I don't know why I didn't think of that. Okay. Chatush Panchaihi Vayasyaihi Saha Gopalaha Maidanam Agachat. Okay. 4 or 5 youth went along. Vayasya would be friends. Sorry, friends. Friends went along with Gopala to the Maidan or playground.
Who goes? Gopala goes. So Gopala agachat.
Along with Gopala.
No, Gopala goes. He goes with Vayasyaihi Saha. He goes with friends. So the action is done by Gopala.
Yeah,
and
I thought that's what I said. Okay, so let me start again. So Gopala goes with 4 or 5 of his friends to the playground or Maidan.
Ground. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Pitake ekadvani phalani shirnani. Sorry.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry.
That is a little 1 or 2 fruits. Pitake shirnani. I am not clueless.
Okay, that is a basket. So shirnani is like they are rotten. Fruits are rotten. Okay, so 1 or 2 fruits in the basket are rotten.
Okay, okay, 1 or 2 fruits. So shirnani is rotten, is it?
Yes, yes.
Okay, shirnani. Pitake ekat. Okay, so this has to be shirnani because it is ekadvani. Ekadvani.
Ekadvani is always
Ekadvani is always bahuvachana. Okay.
Yes.
And regardless of the lingam, is it?
No, here it is phalam. Phalam phalani.
Oh, okay. So but if it were pullingam, it would have to be ekadvaha.
Dvaha. Yes.
Okay, that's what I want. Okay, that's what I wanted to clarify. Okay, got that.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha. Thank you. That was terrible.
There are just a few more, I think. Sriram Venkatesh.
Namaste, Acharya.
Namaste, Ram.
परीक्षायां पञ्चषाणां प्रश्नानाम् उत्तराणि न अलिखम्. Tests.
Parikshaya.
In the test, fifth and sixth or sixth question is not
Panchasha. Panchasha is what? Panchashaha is? Panchashaha is 5 or 6.
5 or 6 questions answer is not written.
Yes. Na alikham is not written, or I have not written. Here it is in which Purusha is this? Alikham. Uttama Purusha Ekavachana. Isn't it? Alikham.
Amacharya.
So I did not write 5 or 6, the answers to 5 or 6 questions in the test.
गायकः दीक्षितस्य त्रिचतुराणि कीर्तनानि अगायत्.
Gayakaha is, yes.
The singer sang Dikshita's 3 or 4 kirtanas.
Very good.
Thank you. कार्यालये वयं सप्ताष्टाः कार्यदर्शिनः स्मः.
Karyadarshi is an officer. Karyadarshi is the singular form. Karyadarshina, plural.
Karyadarshinaha means officer.
Yeah.
In the office, there are 7 or 8 officers.
Or employees. Here it's given as employees, but you can say officers. Yeah. Because they... Yes, continue. Kshetre.
Kshetre panchashaha dhenavaha trinam charanti. In the field, 5 or 6 cows wander.
They graze. Trinam charanti, graze. They are grazing in the field. 5 or 6 cows.
Grazing in the field.
Uttam. Dhanyavadaha, Sriram.
Dhanyavadaha, Acharya.
So, you can try to learn the Sankhya Shabdas, different forms as homework. Because there are, most of them are Bahuvachanam, and you have the 3 lingas from 1 to 4. They alone have the differences in the Pullinga, Strilinga, and Napumsakalinga. Time is almost up, so we'll wind up here. If there are any questions. Vibhakti rupas are there for Ekadvaha. So, just as we saw, Ekadvaha, Ekadvaha, Ekadvavihi. Just a second. Ekadvabhyaha. Okay, so we have not given the vibhakti forms here. So dvabhyaha, dvabhyaha, ekadvanam, and ekadvasu. please show the Trini forms again. It will be all uploaded in the course page, so you can see them. So somebody has given the Shadritavaha, Vasanta, Grishma, Varsha, Sharad, Hemanta, Shishira. So this Hemanta is pre-winter. So that we have before winter itself. So we have the spring, summer, monsoon, autumn, pre-winter and winter. Is Dasha Akaranta? No, that is also an Akaranta Shabda. Is this a Samasa? Yes, Ekadvaha is a Samasa word. Ekahava, Dvauva, Ekadvaha. Should we memorize all the Vibhakti forms of numbers? Yes, that is the homework. Putani is page. The pages of the book is called the Putam, is the page. Trinam also there, so it should be eating grass. Yes, grazing means they are eating grass and roaming around. This will be uploaded as a PDF, so you can print this. So all these pages will be, anyway, these forms are available in the textbook as well. But if you want to print this, the PDF will be uploaded in the course page. Those were the questions. Let us conclude with the Shanti Mantra. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha Sarve Santu Niramayaha Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhave. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dhanyavadaha. Shubharatri. Punarmilamah.